Curious about the 2025 Dodge Hornet's cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? Wondering what those warning lights and symbols really mean? In this video, we'll answer all your questions and help you understand what to do when an alert pops up. Interior view. The dashboard features a modern digital display, intuitive controls, and premium materials, providing a driver-focused and tech-savvy cockpit experience. The display offers a high-resolution touchscreen with seamless smartphone integration, customizable widgets, and advanced navigation for an enhanced driving experience. The cluster features a fully digital display with customizable layouts, real-time vehicle information, and vibrant graphics for an engaging driving experience. The climate control panel offers dual-zone temperature settings, intuitive touch controls, and advanced air circulation for personalized cabin comfort. The 2025 Dodge Hornet offers a sporty design, advanced tech, and a driver-centric cabin. It boasts a powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged engine delivering up to 268 horsepower. The steering wheel features an ergonomic design, integrated audio and cruise controls, and paddle shifters for enhanced driving convenience and control. The center console features ergonomic storage, sleek controls, and wireless charging capability. Its precision-engineered gear shifter ensures smooth and responsive gear transitions for an enhanced driving experience. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Airbag warning light, brake warning light, battery charge warning light, door open warning light, electric power steering, electronic throttle control, engine coolant temperature, traction battery fault warning light, seat belt reminder warning light, anti-lock brake system, hood open warning light, electronic stability control, electronic stability control off, fuel level sensor failure, low fuel warning, service passive entry warning light, malfunction indicator light, lift gate open warning light, service forward collision, service stop or start, oil temperature warning light, tire pressure monitoring, acoustic vehicle alerting system, transmission temperature warning light, forward collision warning, vehicle security warning light, service lane sense warning light, lane sense warning light, active speed limiter fault, blind spot detection fault, fuel cutoff warning light, fuel cutoff failure warning light, headlights on indicator, turn signal indicator, cruise control set, stop or start active, cruise control ready, high beam indicator, light, electric park brake warning light, towing hook breakdown warning light, hybrid traction, battery, cutoff warning light, exterior lights, failure, power shot engaged indicator light, immobilizer fail, automatic high beam indicator light, automatic low beam indicator, light, ready to drive indicator light, sport mode indicator light, e-drive electric mode indicator light, hold and go indicator light, plug status indicator light, traffic sign recognition fault warning light, service hybrid system warning light, SOS battery fault warning light,
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2 scanner for diagnostics.
General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.